This is his new car seat, and he's about 18 pounds, and he's a pug, so you can get an idea of how big this one is. This cushion is the like egg crate type of foam under here, so it's really comfortable. It's kind of like fingers underneath the material. It's all quilted really nicely. You can get it in different colors. I got it a color sand color, kind of like him, and then the outside kind of matches him. It's got the leather logo on the front, which is nice. The straps have all metal hardware, which is nice. There's pockets on the side for wipes and a lint roller, that kind of thing. Everything's quilted. Everything has zippers underneath, so it can come off and be cleaned when he gets it filthy. And look how comfortable he is. It's rigid enough to stand up on its own. I could use this as a dog bed. And then with the thick cushion, it's like a high seat or a booster seat for him in the vehicle. Hope this helps.